fuck is that? Dude.
It's vibrating a little bit.
Yeah.
Another vibrator.
Back it up and do it again. Neutral drive. That was one more time. Back her up.
Back up. Tires are warm now. We'll be good.
Neutral drive. Neutral drive. Hey, you forgot the e-brake. One more time. You gotta put the e-brake on. This is it then. There's no more. All right, e-brake. You're in the fucking lawn, dude. Get on my lawn. Yeah.
Lawn job.
All right, e-brake. Yeah, e-brake. Go. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Jesus Christ, dude. Holy shit.
I don't think you better do anymore.
Yeah, that better be the end of it.
Look at that shit.